Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Etsy ads for Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So this is going to be the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, first thing you want to do is log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and create one, and if you have one, just log in normally to your Etsy account and now we can get started. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here from where we can go ahead and access all the products that we have, and now we can get started. So how do you set up an ad campaign for your Shopify Etsy store? So basically what you're going to go ahead and be doing is going to open up the shop manager option right here. By clicking the shop manager option, is going to enable you to manage your store. By opening up shop manager, now you can get started setting up your store if you haven't already. As you can see, I haven't set up my store, but if you have your store set up, you can go ahead and get started from here. So once you open up your store manager, now we can get started. As you can see right here in this official help center of Etsy, they show us the step by step how to get started setting up Etsy ads. Basically, we are going to be opening up the shop manager as I have just showed you, and then in the Etsy seller app, you're going to click more. Click choose marketing option right here, and then you can choose the Etsy ad section. By opening up ad section, you can go ahead and set your daily budget. This should be the maximum amount you're willing to spend to advertise, and after that you can click start advertising. By starting this and setting your budget, you are now going to be placing your ads for Etsy around different pages, so people will be directed into your store using the budget you have provided, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.